Hey guys, it's Rita, and since it's the month of April and it's Veda, I'm going to try to put up some kind of video every day this month. So I had a DIY this morning and I just got home from work. Today's Monday, so this will go up tomorrow. I'm going to try to get my daughter in here to do a cook with me, and we'll just make brownies, something simple for her. So give me just a minute. Let me see if I can get her in here. She's camera shy, so we'll see what happens. Be right back. Okay, I found one of my daughters. This is Georgiana, and we're gonna make brownies. Yeah. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, Sasha, are you coming?
She's coming.
Okay, well, we'll get started, and if she shows up, I'll introduce her then. So Sasha doesn't like nuts in her brownies, and we're gonna make the Betty Crocker fudge brownies. So you wanna tell me what we need?
We need 3 tablespoons of water, half cup of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs.
Okay, do you wanna go gather those ingredients up?
Yes.
All right, we'll get started. I've already turned the oven on 350 to preheat, and we're gonna use a 13x9 pan because I don't like the thick brownies. I prefer the thinner ones.
Vegetable oil and water.
Yep. So I'll point the camera down now so you can hopefully see what we're doing. I think we need some light. Let me stop this. Okay, I found daughter number 2. This is Sasha. She's camera shy, so say hi, Sasha.
Hey.
Okay, so we'll get started on the brownies, and I'll point you down now. Okay, so I'm gonna let the girls do this. You wanna open that and put it in the bowl. Oh, you got the eggs out. Okay, so they're getting all the ingredients together.
Pour it in there.
Just open it up and pour that in the bowl.
Doesn't matter how it works.
Well, first, take your 2 eggs
And then put them in there first.
put them in that bowl and beat them. Here, let me see those scissors. They're not the best ones. Girl, how are you trying? Lord, help my child. She don't know how to use scissors. Poor thing. Okay, pour it in there. Okay, so we got one pouring the brownie mix in and one getting ready to beat the eggs.
You said 3, right?
2.
Oh.
Did you do 3?
Not open them.
Just put it in the sink. We can throw it away. Okay, so 2 eggs, not 3. Beat those up. Sasha, do you want to do a half a cup of oil? You can just go ahead and put it in here. The oil's right there, baby. Find the half cup. That's it. I think they're nervous, guys, so... Oh, they get to see my feet and my socks in the video today.
She's like, ugh. We don't want to overbeat the eggs.
Like this?
Yeah, be careful so you don't run it over. That's
Okay.
good. Okay, just pour it in. Give me that. All right, you can put the oil in. I try to teach the girls, if you clean as you cook, then you won't have a big mess when it's all over.
Put the oil over there.
Yeah, just put it where it goes. Okay, you can dump those in there.
Eggs. In our mixture.
I'll take it. There's your spoon.
We need our water.
Yeah, get your water.
That's 3 tablespoons of water. 2 eggs. I put it in a cup so it's easier to measure that way. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Now you can stir all that together real good.
Don't forget. Have to.
Y'all can talk to the camera. Tell them how your day was at school. I quit running the water so I can hear.
My name is Georgiana. I'm 17. I'm in high school. I'm a junior. Today at school was very normal. I take my ACT test tomorrow, so I'm very excited. I feel like I kind of should be nervous, but I think if I'm nervous, then I'm gonna psych myself out. So it's better if I'm confident about it and just, you know, do my best as everyone wishes me. Sasha, would you like to say something?
No.
Okay, Sasha, come over here and spray our pan for us. Dish. Okay.
You have to make sure you get all the clumps out of the mix. Make sure.
Spray the sides?
Yeah, you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna finish the sides up real quick on this. There we go.
It's real thick batter. You could gain some muscle from this if you miss a workout day, you know.
Okay, I think you got it. You don't want to overbeat it. I don't know if it, I know on cake you shouldn't over mix because it'll make your cake tough.
There's some dry pieces in here.
You want me to try?
Yeah, it's kind of thick.
You just get down in there with your spoon.
Like that.
Okay, guys, I think we got it. Do you one of you want to pour it in the pan, or you want me to?
You want me to pour it in the pan?
Yeah.
Okay, Georgiana's gonna put the mix in the dish, rather, not the pan. So guys, I'll have a DIY up for you on Wednesday. I did some batch filming this weekend, so I wouldn't have as much to do when I get off work. So the days that I don't have a DIY or a haul for you, we'll try to do something around here with the girls.
This is fun.
Yeah, that's fine. Do you want to lick the bowl?
No.
Here, you want me to get it out?
Yes.
Okay guys, so we've about got this, and we're just gonna put these in the oven. How many minutes for the 13 by 9?
It says 22 to 25 minutes.
All right, so here's the brownies. They're going in the oven. 22 to 25.
Yes.
So I'm gonna set the timer on the microwave for 20 minutes. Just want to check them because I don't want to leave them in exactly 22 to 25, just depending on how your oven cooks. So let's flip it back up so they can see us. Okay, so we've got the brownies in the oven, and we'll sign off for a few minutes, well, for like 20 minutes, and when they come out, we will let you see the outcome. Miss Gigi and Miss Skittles, that's their nicknames. Gigi and Skittles, that happened when they were playing softball. How old were y'all when you started playing softball?
I feel like you were 12, maybe.
Well, I think you were younger than that.
Probably like 7, 8.
Yeah, I think more like 7, 8. Yeah, y'all were young. Yep. So,
It was like yesterday.
anyway, guys, we'll be back in about 20 minutes. Okay guys, I was just going to show you a couple things in the kitchen. This is concrete, and I had it a while. I got it at Hobby Lobby, I believe, on sale of course. And that little teapot is Hobby Lobby on sale. And then there's some Dollar Tree things. And this little teapot is just decorative purposes. I think you can use it. It has a screen in it, but someone gave that to me. And let's see over here, these are my canisters that I was looking for, the roosters. I did get those from my friend. She picked them up at Dollar General, and I put those on. This rooster's just sitting there. Those are really salt and pepper shakers. And the window, if you can see, I just have a couple of little signs up here, and a chalk painted mason jar. And there's a mortar and I don't know, whatever it is, you know what I'm talking about. And then I have a Dollar Tree faux flower basket hanging up there. And there's a coffee pot. I don't drink coffee, but this 3-tier tray, I made this, painted it white. I believe I used spray paint, didn't I? Yeah, I used spray paint on this, and then used the antique wax. So that's it for the kitchen tour, and we'll wait for the brownies. Be right back. Okay guys, I believe our brownies are done, so I'm going to take them out of the oven, let them cool off. There they are.
Look at all that fudge.
So, do y'all want to come say bye? Here, flip it up. Okay guys, thanks for hanging out with us to cook brownies. Come on over, Sasha, we can't see you. So, Georgiana, Sasha, Gigi, Skittles.
Bye.
Bye.
I'll get them in another video one day. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.